You know, we often think of computers and calculating as something new, when in fact it dates back to 400 BC with the abacus. Interestingly, though, it wasn't until 1941 when German scientist Konrad Zuse invented the first electric calculator. That went on to be the first universal automatic computer, which is now known as the UNIVAC. It was then in 1964 when IBM released the 360, the first viable commercial computer. By the mid-1980s, the 360 was accountable for more than $100 billion of market growth. Most of us are more familiar with the PC industry, though. It was formed in the early 1970s. Bill Gates and his partner Paul Allen's first company was counting cars going through intersections. About the same time, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak were creating devices to hack into phones to create free long-distance calls. They both went on to form the companies of Apple and Microsoft. As you can see here by the size of Paul Allen's boat, the rest was history.